How's it going, guys, and welcome back. Today we're going to be installing our BAJA design pod lights. These are the Sport Squadrons in amber. They're cornering lights. Going to go ahead and install them. I went ahead and purchased the rough country brackets that will go onto the A-pillars here. This kit comes with obviously 2 brackets, the rivets for the bracket, and 2 paddings, rubber paddings to prevent scratching on the paint. You'll need a drill. I forget what size bit, I'll let you know later on. Thanks to Ian over at Sand Mountain for letting me borrow a rivet gun. So let's go ahead and jump to it. So according to the instructions that it does bring, you'll need a 3/16 bit. They say to go ahead and install the padding onto the bracket, so let's go ahead and do that. Line it up with the holes. All right, once you get them in, it looks like this. Should provide some padding so you won't damage the paint, but who cares at the end of our days. Tape is pretty forgiving, so don't stress yourselves out. All right, so once they're both in, let's go ahead and take this door apart. All right, so as per instructions, we've got to remove this seal here. It looks like it's held on by some plastic rivets. Let me see my little trim puller, and I'll let you know. They're held on by some old ass double-sided tape, and they do have a few rivets, but they will break. Right, so my seal is older than dirt, but so I'm just gonna eyeball this. I don't really need it to be in a perfect spot. I might just go down to, let's say, 1/8 of an inch above the corner, or 1/2 inch above the corner. So fun fact, this door here sags a little bit compared to the other door, so it doesn't hit, actually it does. It doesn't hit like the other side does, but we're gonna go ahead and install these lights now, so I'll show you how that goes. So here are the lights themselves. Amber. They bring mounting brackets. You have your single wire for each side. Go ahead and take them both out. Comes with this long cable and a rocker switch. Let's see. Once you unravel it, how does this mess look? All right, so you get your switch on its own. We will probably bring it in through the firewall. This looks like it goes to your terminals right here. And it splits off into both lights. So let's go ahead and wire this bad boy up. First things I want to do though is go ahead and get my lights mounted onto their corresponding brackets. It brings hardware, as you can see. Let's go ahead and open this up. So the old teether. Oh, ripping that open. Go ahead and take out the instruction lines. These are the Squadrons, so it tells you how they're supposed to go. So it labels it as the Squadron S2 hardware kit, or the Squadron. All right. So pretty much how we're going to mount these up is you'll want the skinny side facing outward, so you can go ahead and maneuver them up and down. So I'm going to first mount it to the bracket. So you're going to want to do is get your bolt, a washer, slide through the bracket like so. Put the other washer in. This is going to go into the bracket. Of course, they don't fit. So I'm going to go ahead and drill out a little bit of this mount, or a lot of it actually. Way too big. All of my bits are a little bit worn out, so. All right, guys, so I got it wired up. It's not the prettiest job, but I've got my positive, negative terminal. The ground, I've got it grounded out here. All of my cables or wiring, I ran into the fender. For this pod, it connects like right around here. I got to tidy this up here because obviously it's loose, but I went ahead and put it in through the antenna grommet. You can't really see it here, but went in there. We're getting a 3D printer soon, but came out through here, and then I'll be running this. I'm gonna 3D print a board here to be able to put my rockers. Pretty much for this other side, it's the same thing. Ran the wiring out through there. I was rushing it. Should have went behind this cable, but it goes into the fender, and it comes right up here, as you can see. And I'll go ahead and show you how they look turned on. Let me go ahead and close the hood. So hood's closed. Here they are. Go ahead and grab the switch. Once you turn them on, boom. There they are, lit up. Sweet. And then off they go.